High roll?
Hala, against ano yung
4.
Game! Make it
5. You decide. There's an entire game.
I'm pretty sure if we faced, I would have died.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
No, that's
One.
Nah, I better keep you. The frick? Coffee bingo.
next.
You buy this, OPTCG text. You put your deck.
Right. Sure that is showing. Alright, let's go.
Stand up, Vanguard. So that's right.
Wow.
And then that's what we
I will draw.
you're dealing your pick.
Discard 1. Ride.
Blast. Draw. Full. Discard full blast. Right.
Same.
Charge 3. Draw. Cool. 8 of hand.
Take.
Left check. Green.
Card.
Turn end.
Draw. So blast. Ride. 3. 10 to van.
Guard.
Quick. Pass.
Alright. Standard draw. Charge to 3. Discard. Right skill. Bye bye. 5. Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Bye, Mark. One piece na tatalog kita.
Okay. Call Ace unit. Obviously, I'll give.
Standard.
Oh wait, Krino skill.
Oh, it's a starter kit.
Ali, out, GDO. Magic to, makadalang magic. Wala ko dalang magic. Tumat ka po. Sige. Magic na lang.
Ilan yung
X? Hindi, wala siya. Dili, starter. With the 13.
I'm not rich, bro.
Ang touch tips.
Wala naman ko yung Final Fantasy 20.
Nice one, good ang touch tips.
Plus 5.
Kita ron starter
Top
kit.
7.
Ano na to?
Nice Star Trek.
4.
Ngita, pre-con.
Wala to ako.
Sure. Don't give the no retire effect, considering that's Varga to the Ace unit. Then putting Zest to Soul.
Wala, Pantheon.
No retire to Ace.
Yeah, no retire to Ace.
Well, I don't turn it on anyway unless they're ngita.
Your voice. Keep it.
10 back.
Kalupig sword voice. Kalupig sword voice.
Trigger. Card.
50.
Card. Okay.
Turn end.
Iyawa ba po?
And draw.
Gun! He's the strongest. He's the strongest na rin tanan. Imagine you have a spear and your guy has a gun. What up, dude? I will bring my sub tier magic deck that could barely work.
Commander mo tumong deck.
Yes.
15.
Oh no. Oh, I can intercept.
Commander, using the discarded cards that nobody wants.
Draw.
Tire.
DJ, happy ka niyo?
23. Retire front. That can be retired.
Yeah.
So 5 days ko, so akong i-edit ako motor para makadula
Card.
kung Yu-Gi-Oh! Ka motor.
Okay.
What? Tala, Yu-Gi-Oh!
All effects.
Dula, tala.
Cannot heal
Ali,
power.
Speed spell activate.
Restand. This is
We gain
33.
1 speed counter.
40.
Pass turn.
Stand and draw.
Synchro summon.
Then charge 3, but
I don't need a playmat.
don't need to charge
I need
that
a playmat
because
for you
I
for
will
one piece.
ride
Sige,
to get to use energy 3
goodbye,
to
Ninard.
get Vergosa. Will we Terraria
The
tonight?
greatest dap of our lives.
Dap me up, my boy.
You're not allowed to dap anymore.
Nice vacuum seal.
Oh wait, why am I shuffling? Add this to hand. Soul.
Yes, but you need to have just like yes.
Dual field na.
Yeah, soul blast you.
Finally, got my deck.
Jesus.
Kinsey na.
Sige, I'm gone.
Goodbye, Leonard.
Bye, Leonard.
Mabush ka.
Take care, guys.
Take care, bro.
Ay, takot na yung kapuntra na Morgan Knight.
Oh.
Iyang deck eh, wala siya art.
Time stealing Morgan.
Next time, I think we should just do 4 rounds.
Yeah.
like Morgan. Ay,
At least we know what
spells
to do.
na, no? Oh, natay usa ka deck itong Witchcrafter Morgan Knight hybrid. I didn't like it.
Ito kadula.
Exactly.
21.
So, pag-Witchcrafter.
Pero wala yung take on.
Taking.
Build, kay murag budget na game to. Kay wala siya itong
Parang
dako na
first
monster.
time
Crit and power Dragasa.
Level 4.
Trigger.
Ito mong ipakita ba?
Trigger.
Dice.
Uy.
I borrow dice.
Okay.
This one.
Level 3 drop. Discard full last
Ano ka play ka? Utopia.
28 to crystal drives.
Exist? You don't have to make 50. No extra deck.
In case mo business mo punch mo target sa akong extra.
Effort skill.
It's all. Natay, ano, dali na kay
This is
Sagot.
35.
43.
What the hell is this extra deck?
40.
Tracy na po. Oh, jeez.
Muning katong Japanese recipe. Japanese.
Turn
I go
bind.
first.
Standard.
Oh, ganito, ano? Charmers.
Persona. Malworm. Draw from Persona.
That's his third character. That's his third
Radiant
character.
Caliburn.
I was like,
I'll draw 2.
then who's gonna play this?
Call skill. Blast 3.
I can barely see the
Top
zones.
Kasi lang, yung Charmers.
Normal.
There's shit. Nakatulak. I-build kong Charmers sa alt account ba? It's so bad.
Usik kung you are.
You're all you are. Mostly you are, ano, mga
Magaling
kasi
usik.
Charmer.
So usik dyan eh.
Usik ko siya.
Uy, pero
Kita itong bagong Alistair din mo,
Alastair and Bopper. Asa to?
Master Duel.
Atong alt art or batong card?
I think alt art.
Alt art
Pero
yan?
na yung bago.
hindi ko pag-play.
No, alt art
Call.
mo lagay ko.
Call.
Sabay alt art
Call.
yan, no? Nakuha na ako. Saan na tapin?
Attacking.
Alt art in Nightmare. Jane.
23.
Wala kang say alt art ako.
Oh, what? Still
The
no.
Sky Striker card.
Ooh.
Gapul ko sige itong Sky Striker. Dali yung alt art. Where's it?
You word.
25.
You want my board breaker Sky Striker?
30.
Ganda na ko ani na deck sa Master Duel. Tingala ko. Kinsa good yung board break sige kanong
My
patay.
boys,
attack
why are they
position.
drunk?
Sabi na ko kung
Lightning Storm?
like
No, Lightning Storm.
Front.
Itong
Plus 5.
destroy attack position monsters. Or back row.
if magamit din siya on
This is
as a synchro material
33, 38.
when he is
Plus
activates
15.
destroy all attack position.
Okay. Nante ko sa. Kato ko si Hunter Archfiend.
Calamity.
Skill.
Skill.
Like whenever monster effect
Ano,
activates, no.
first. So
Ah, yeah,
last
so
one.
last one.
And
When
then
the
Draw.
monster activates
Banish,
your
negate,
effect,
banish.
Then
banish
counter
all
allows
opponent
CP.
control. Oh, ba na? Dili na isa.
Oh, you did it, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you're
Dili na
positioned.
Red Nova. I know this Red Nova. Katong
CB,
ano,
restand, then
this
retire back
gets,
pro.
oh that's one, kana. Red
So
Supernova.
plus one,
Plus
Kana.
10,
Kani
Soul
is,
Blast. Ay,
this
call
one's weird.
as rest,
Gets,
Soul Blast 1.
Pang Ether na siya.
Stand.
Similar sila.
Go plus 5 for every
No
token.
triggers, right?
Yep, no triggers of
Pareho
check.
naman sila effect with ni
Crit power.
Ano sa Chada build
Divine
na
skill.
Isagon?
Can I live?
Centurion.
Twin drive.
Why?
Big number.
Centurions are
Oh,
cooking.
big.
No guard.
No, kay Centurions are really good at ano, cheating out rank
No trigger.
level
No!
What the monster.
Where are my
Kay ilang
boys?
boss monsters level 12 man. You just use Crimson Dragon.
I didn't even see the dogs. I run 3 of them.